Hi, this is the team of Mike, Chris and Luke Haas with Realty One Group Gold Standard. You are invited to view this house, which boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 newer full bathrooms, a fully equipped updated eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances and ceramic backsplash, a dining room, a level backyard with covered patio and an integral garage. As you enter this home, the fireplace invites you into the spacious living room to relax. Entertain your guests in the dining room. Just steps away from the fully equipped updated eat-in kitchen. Or invite your friends and family over for a barbecue in the level backyard with covered patio. You will love the convenient location. Close to restaurants, town and shopping with easy access to I-279, Route 19, public transportation, McKnight Road and Ross Park Mall. With 2 newer bathrooms, a fully equipped updated eat-in kitchen, newer central air conditioner, furnace, hot water heater and windows, integral garage and plenty of storage, it's ready for you to move right in.